Just for a look at our forecast. Good morning, Angela.
Yeah, good morning. If you have to travel today, I think it will be much better once we get into late morning.
Okay.
As far as this morning, we're dealing with a lot of leftovers everywhere.
Yes.
So in Reno, we're dealing with the frozen puddles, black ice, and then up at Donner, Mount Rose Highway, still some snow on the ground and still some spotty snow showers as well.
Yeah.
I mean, we've made it past the worst of it, but it's not over with yet. As far as snow for the impact today, I do have it on medium. That's mainly because of the leftovers. Could see up to 2 inches more of snowfall in the Tahoe Basin. So we've made it past majority of it, but with all the leftovers there, still going to have some problems. Wind is low, rain is low, and for ice, I have that on high. So again, that's going to be the main issue this morning, not only along our mountain passes, but also in the valley as well. In the valley, it will be hard to see. And red, that would show where there is icing, and so that does include the Reno area. So take it slow this morning and leave for work a little bit early if you can. It is 36 out at the airport, but as you get farther away from the airport, it gets colder. We do have some clouds out there, and the dew point is up to 29. We still have some moisture, we still have some clouds, and it's cold. The airport is the warm spot, 31 in South Tahoe, 30 in Fallon. We're at least several degrees colder at this hour than we were yesterday, so the cold air has arrived, and it's cold enough to where any leftover puddles are frozen this morning. Also cold enough for snow still up in the Sierra this morning. It's pretty light in nature right now, but every now and again it's picking up in intensity, but nothing like it was yesterday. Back off to the west from Chico and then down through Sacramento, we are seeing a band of rainfall there, and that's going to stay mainly up to our northwest, but it will clip Donner every now and again throughout today, but majority of it will stay up to our northwest. You can still see some moisture and some energy getting fed into northwestern California, but it's pulling up to the north, so for the most part it's going to miss us throughout today, but every now and again the Sierra will get clipped around Donner. So it's going to be occasional on and off again snow showers. Again, Donner right on that cutoff there, so we'll get clipped every now and again, but calling it dry in the Truckee Meadows here. And then overnight tonight we still have some clouds, but as they start to break apart into Tuesday morning, also can't rule out some freezing fog, and that lowers visibility. It can also create some glaze on our roadways. In terms of how much more snowfall, could see up to 2 inches more of snowfall in the Tahoe Basin. So nothing like this weekend, but it will be worse up to the northwest and into the northern Sierra north of I-80. But still cold today. Still want your winter coat. It will be dry to the east today. 40 in Ely, 41 in Austin. Upper 40s today in the Basin and Range. And it is going to be very cold tonight, with many of us dropping down into at least the 20s. 19 tonight instead. 26 tonight in Reno. Highs today will be in the upper 40s, so still coat weather, and 30s around Lake Tahoe. Thankfully though, not a ton of wind, but it will be a little bit breezy. That will make it feel a little bit colder out there, and highs today near average. So it's going to feel like January. Roads are slick in and around Lake Tahoe today. Today is going to be the dig out day. Highs will be in the mid 30s with occasional snow showers on and off again. Pretty slick this morning, but improving as the day goes on. Watch out for ice this morning in the Truckee Meadows, and it will be hard to see because it's black ice. It will be frozen puddles. Today though, we'll make it up to 48, so the ice is going to melt pretty quickly. As far as your 7-day forecast here, much quieter, but another little system will move in Wednesday into Thursday. This one will be cold enough to where we could even see a dusting of snowfall in the valley for the Thursday morning commute. Not a lot, but we could see something, and then Tuesday morning watching out for a little bit of patchy freezing fog.
I find that I really enjoy these nice sunny day forecasts once we've had
right?
a big storm
Yeah.
that our snowpack was, elevated and boosted, and now we can just enjoy it with
That's
beautiful
the thing.
skies and warmer temperatures.
Yeah, we don't feel guilty when we get the snow.
I know.
And it just looks so pretty when
I
we
know.
compare it to the
It's
blue
just
and this
a
white.
white blanket over
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah,
it's
it's
gorgeous.
beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you, Angela.